As humans, we enjoy indulging ourselves into various different movements based off of how it's going to make us feel, all from the inside out. Grab your mat, take a deep breath in, and a long breath out. Let's dive deeper. Here are some very quick and fun differences between Warrior I and Warrior II, or Virabhadrasana I and Virabhadrasana II, working our way from the bottom to the top. So the right foot is forward, left foot is back. For Warrior I, focus on that back foot being turned in at about a 45-ish degree angle. The torso is shining forward. The hips are trying to square forward, while the chest is also shining forward, sort of like headlights. For Warrior II, remember heel toe that front foot to a more center line so that the front heel is more so lined up with the back arch. The back foot is now at about a 90-degree angle, or it's parallel to the shorter edge of the mat. Our hips, our torso, and our chest are all shining outward towards the longer side of the mat. For Warrior I, reach your arms up and overhead, roll your shoulders back, pull your tailbone down, and your gaze is either forward or slightly tilted up. The palms can be shining towards each other, or they can be kissing at the top, or hands down at heart center, maybe thumbs to sternum. We would call that Anjali Mudra. For Warrior II or Virabhadrasana II, the arms are extended outward, the palms are pushing the earth down, we're rolling our shoulder blades back, the tailbone is still pulling down, our inner thighs are slightly engaged to keep this somewhat of a balance going on, and then our gaze is soft. Out past the front hand, we feel focused, we feel steady, we feel rooted in both feet, we feel almost ready for anything. And then for Warrior I, we still feel rooted and grounded here. You might be feeling a slight stretching happening in that left psoas if the left foot is back. If you're on the opposite side, then just reverse that. And you might also be feeling a stretch for your lats and the rib cage while you're trying to lift up out of your seat. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out wherever you are. And those are a few fun differences between Warrior I and Warrior II. Please let me know down in the comments below what you think about the differences in Warrior I and Warrior II. Did you know about them? Are you surprised of any? I can't wait to see what we connect on down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Dive Deeper. I can't wait to see you in the next one.